Wahahaha. Welcome to nature. Should smell like downtown Bethlehem. The true downtown Bethlehem. This is the heart of our city. The heart! So civilized, isn't it?
Yeah. It is booming with life.
And activity.
Ask for flower. It says ask for flower on that building.
That is definitely weird. But at least I was able to let them read that. Oh wow, this is so weird. Parking deck. That is kind of weird that we've got like an old time, like 18th century building next to a parking deck.
Yeah. It's so fun.
I really hope I don't trip. Idiot. Wait up!
There are no bees out.
No bees for us. The thing is, I took this without telling my mom I took the camera.
She'll never know.
No, she'll never know. So she saw me holding the bag. She said nothing. I don't think she realized that I was going to be doing something illegal with it. And yes, feeding ducks is illegal. This is the dye house. We have pictures of Alex breaking into it. Oh.
Is it blue board?
Yeah, it's apparently blue board in there still. I don't see it.
No, it's gone.
They killed the blue board!
How
Son of a bitch. Gotta get me some ducks, Amber.
How do we ducks and birds?
There's gotta be ducks because there's birds.
Yeah.
Intelligent, truly. Amber, I see loads of ducks on this water.
I like looked around and to see where.
Amber, right there. See that part right there? That's where your damn ducks are, right there.
Definitely. Well, let's continue.
Because there will be ducks there.